Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook in Zelda Tears of the Kingdom. To begin, locate a cooking pot, which is usually found near stables or villages. Approach the pot and open your inventory. Select up to 5 ingredients you wish to combine. Drop them into the pot, and after a brief animation, your meal will be ready. Cooking is essential for restoring health and gaining powerful temporary buffs, making your adventures across Hyrule much easier and more enjoyable. Understanding your ingredients is key to becoming a master chef. You'll find various food items like apples, mushrooms, and meat, which primarily restore health. Monster parts, such as bokoblin horns, are typically used with critters to create elixirs that grant special effects like attack up or speed boosts. Each ingredient has a hidden potency, and combining them thoughtfully will lead to more effective dishes, enhancing your abilities significantly during combat and exploration. To maximize your meals, always aim to cook 5 ingredients together. This generally yields the most potent effects and highest healing. Keep an eye out for the blood moon, as cooking during this event guarantees a critical cook, resulting in a dish with enhanced effects like longer duration or more hearts. Remember not to mix ingredients that provide conflicting buffs, such as attack up and defense up, as they will cancel each other out, creating a dubious food instead. Here are some essential tips for your culinary journey. Always keep a variety of ingredients on hand, especially those that offer useful buffs like increased stamina or cold resistance. Experiment with different combinations. Sometimes unexpected pairings yield fantastic results. Remember that cooking food items with monster parts will often result in dubious food, so generally keep those separate for elixirs. Happy cooking, and may your adventures be filled with delicious and powerful meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.